Hello everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel WebToTech. Today in this video, I am going to show you how to change username on Binance application. So let's jump to the process. First, open your Binance application on your mobile phone. Now make sure that you are logged into your account. Now here, tap on the small Binance logo present at the top left corner. Then you'll be able to find your user ID. Tap on it. Now here you can see small edit icon near your username. Tap on it. Then tap on nickname box. Then enter the new username. After this, tap on save. Now know that you can change name one time per 30 days. After this, tap on continue. With this, now your name will be changed. Here you can see my username on Binance application has been changed. And this is how we can change username on Binance application. Thank you for watching everyone. If you like this video, please like, comment and share, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more videos.